y'all? Did y'all miss me? Because I missed y'all. Today's video is going to be a Sunday reset. I'm folding clothes right now. Only reason I'm not going to show y'all is because I don't have any bottoms on. I folded my last load of clothes now and putting them up. I am going to show y'all as I change my calendar to November, as I change any of my goals, cleaning up my room. My room is a mess. I'm not going to show y'all the floor right now. Matter of fact, let me show y'all the floor. I'm going to show y'all the room right now. It looks a mess. The room is a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. PR boxes on the floor. I got stuff everywhere. I got wine glasses on the table. Y'all, we had a time last night. Me and my girlfriend had a time last night. Okay. It was good. It was good. But I don't know if I'm gonna cook. I'm not gonna tell you I'm cooking and I don't cook. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook or not. I gotta do my hair. So yeah, y'all comb me for today. But yes, y'all, I love y'all and I'll make sure I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, it's 2 p.m. I haven't done nothing but take a shower. We haven't cleaned the room yet. That's gonna get done today though, I promise. What else? Y'all, let me tell y'all, I done did my wig and we're gonna give her a 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10, but not a 0 and not a negative, because at the end of the day, I tried. At the end of the day, everything was right except for I have to pluck it some more and fix these edges. Oh, and fix my lace. Like, the lace, you can see. I needed to give wet lace. Now I'll show y'all doing my hair. Then y'all just gonna see me with a hat on. And the hair still eat the hat. Good baby. I'm not vulnerable enough to show my hair. Just know I tried to attempt to do my wig for the first time. And we're gonna give her a 4. Actually, we're gonna give her a 5. Just because it's minor things that I can easily fix. Yes, it's for a brand. Giving soccer mom, giving cute, giving where's the kids. I'm gonna hop on live for a few minutes on TikTok live, and then I'm going to Sam's Club and Dollar Tree. So yeah, y'all gonna come with me and I'll see y'all in a bit. Fit, got a hat on, forest looking coat, purse, baggy cargo sweats. Man, I forgot what shoes they are. Raymond something. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Sam's Club. I'm walking into Sam's now. I don't know if I'm gonna record because it's a lot going on. I really don't feel like dealing with people. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get out of the store. Good morning, y'all. It is 7:20 something. I'm getting ready for class. I'm gonna make my bed and warm me up a little breakfast thing. I may bring y'all with me for that. Excuse me, if I don't bring y'all with me for that, y'all will see me when I get to class. But yes, I'm like, it's been a few days since I picked up the camera and I missed y'all, but I've been sick, y'all. I had not stomach flu. I had food poisoning from freaking Sonic. But I'm just getting back feeling better right now today. So I'm like, let me pick up the camera. We gotta get back to that money and get back to the bag. I love y'all. I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, I didn't eat nothing breakfast wise. I put me some propel in my water bottle and I'm walking into class. It's 7. Let me see what this time say. 7:50. I gotta be in class at 8. I'm on the way to chemistry. Today is just review day. We got a test Monday. So we are reviewing for the next 2 days. Oh yeah. I'll see y'all at the class. I'm back home and I don't know if I want to hop on live first or clean up my calendar. I guess we'll clean up our calendar first. So I'm gonna show y'all the before and the after. So yeah, see y'all. Y'all, don't be mad at me. I'm so sorry. I've been so inactive. It is Friday, and I've been trying to work on TikTok as well. And I've been like, it's been a lot, guys. Just bear with me. I ain't forgot about y'all. I promise I did not forget about y'all. Okay, just give me a little time. Okay, give me a little time. I'm gonna try to find something interesting to do to throw in this vlog for y'all because I love y'all down and I appreciate y'all so much. I've been doing this week, y'all, literally is the same thing. I've been studying for my test. I've been going to class. I went to tutoring. I didn't cook anything. Oh, God. Yesterday I made like these garlic bread pizzas. I see on TikTok and I just made that because it was quick and I was hungry. What else? I I haven't did anything interesting, so it's just been a repetitive cycle. Hey y'all, it's been a couple of days since I was last seen y'all, and I miss y'all so much. Life has been life, y'all. I'm so sorry, but we're back and we're better. I have some content for y'all right now. I'm studying, it's nothing on the board because I just went over some problems and erased them. I'm studying my chemistry stuff. I don't have a test till like 2 weeks from now, but I'm getting on it. I need to make sure I understand everything from definitions to every single equation, okay? I haven't been making what I want to make on my last few tests. I've been making C's, and I'm trying to at least make a high B or an A. So I need to study more, and I noticed that I need to go over definitions more than anything. But I'm still gonna make sure I get these equations down, because it's not the math for me. I'm great at math. It's the definitions and the problems. The definition problems, they all be looking the same. It's like increase this, decrease this, increase this, increase this, decrease this, decrease this, decrease and increase. I'm like, I don't know. I know it's one or the other, but this is not simplified enough for me. But yes, y'all, that's all I'm doing right now. Studying in the study room, and then I'm gonna go home, shower, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna get on TikTok live, promote some products, and that's really all I have to do. I'm not really gonna run too many errands today. I don't know if I need to run any errands today. I don't know, y'all. But yes, I'm sorry for neglecting y'all. I love y'all so much, and I miss y'all. I've been so tied up with TikTok and school. Not gonna lie, I just don't wanna, fall out with YouTube, because I really love YouTube. And yes, but I will see y'all when I get home. I'll show y'all the fit of the day, because right now I look bummy, I look crazy. I might throw on a sweatsuit today, I don't know. But right now I just have on some sweatpants, my Crocs, a shirt, my scarf. What time is it? It's currently 9:55. I've been in here since like 9:15, I think. I'll probably be out at like 10:30. But yes, that's all. I'm gonna see y'all later, and I love y'all. To see y'all, hey y'all, I was supposed to see y'all when I got out the shower and everything, y'all. I got on TikTok live and I was promoting products and stuff. But right now we're at Starbucks. I got me and my girlfriend something to drink. So hold on, I'm gonna be right back to y'all because I gotta show the app and stuff. I'm back. We got our drinks. Hold up. When I get to like a stoplight, I'm gonna show y'all the drinks. So give me a minute. Ew, some big trucks. Some big trucks coming, y'all. I really could show y'all this there, but it's okay. I'm gonna be back to y'all. Give me a minute. Very cutesy, very demure. What the hell? I was like, what the fuck? Bro, it sounded like the damn police sirens. I'm like, hold up. Don't do that weird one. Stoplights, let me show you the drink. I got a strawberry acai with lemonade. Oh my god. Why did they just turn out that fast? And then I got my baby's signature drink. Her grande ice white mocha with sweet cream cold foam and caramel drizzle. She doesn't know I got it for her. Really, after I got from the study room, I ate some lasagna. I watched a little bit of Impact, that show with Ari in them. And then took a shower, put on my clothes that I had a review for TikTok. Got on TikTok live for about maybe an hour, I think, hour 30 minutes. What else? That's it. That's really all I did, y'all. Now I'm on the way to my girlfriend's job. I'm back hours later, and now I gotta go grocery shopping. So I'm gonna try to bring y'all with me just a little bit, because we got a lot of stuff to get. So we are at Lowe's, which is a grocery store, not Lowe's Home Improvement. So yeah.
Hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left all on my.
But yes, we're at Walmart now. Lowe's is a little too expensive. We had to get up out of there. We had to get the fuck up out of Lulu. We had to get the fuck out of Lulu, y'all. Lulu was like, yeah, Lulu wasn't budget friendly. Granch freaking cookies. Me and my sister made cookies last night, but we didn't do the Grinch. We made some other ones. And then I got some new poppies, because they were so good. I was supposed to be going to the store with a list. and I passed all this stuff I want to try, but I'm gonna wait. Have y'all tried these? Drop down in the comments below if y'all have had these and which one was your favorite, because I want to try them and I've been seeing TikTok talk about them. Hey y'all, it's 12 in the morning. I'm finally back and I'm eating. I'm watching my girl Ashanti video, and yeah, but I'm eating a seafood bowl at 12 in the morning. Don't judge me. It's a new day, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Love y'all. Have a great rest of your night. Good morning. It is 9:12 in the morning. I'm currently eating a cinnamon bun, and I'm about to drink my protein shake. What's the plans for the day? I don't know, but I picked up the camera, so we gotta figure something out. Y'all, I hope you have an amazing day, a positive day, a blessed day, and I will see y'all later. Y'all can't see me right now, but I'm driving. It is currently 6:04 at night. I know it's way later. Like, y'all see me in the morning. It's night. We're on the way to Aldi. On the list for Aldi is salmon, potatoes, shredded cheese, and some avocados.
Making friends, I just gotta mention I didn't text and it's a beach front. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tinted by the pool and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo trying to leave our market piece of East up. Ain't nobody making too much money off the beef stuff. But I beef for rap because I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cody to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck.
Now I'm going to Walmart. I got everything I needed from Aldi, but I need to get some soaps, some Dove, and some Dial from here. So we're at Walmart. I'm gonna try to get a little footage, but we shall see. I am now on the way back to the house, and I'm about to cook some salmon and a loaded potato with some broccoli and cheese. I don't know if I'm gonna record me cooking. I'm probably just gonna show y'all like the after. But yes, I love y'all. And if I don't see y'all later, have a great rest of your day, your night, your morning, whatever time you're watching this. I thank you so much for watching this video. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. But I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. And tell a friend to subscribe, because we fam. What they say, in a club we all fam. Okay, so tell a friend that in the club we all fam. I love y'all. Bye.